What up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Field Prep. We're going hard. But, yeah, we have the demo car in here because we are trying things, testing things. So, the demo car's shocks are actually slightly shorter than what we run on the race car. Those are production shocks that, like, everyone would use, but on the race car, we're obviously trying to maximize wheel travel as much as we possibly can. So the shocks off the race car are slightly longer, which was great when I had the 35 millimeter roll center corrected rear knuckle. Now that I am going to be testing out OEM knuckle, it needs to change a little bit. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I feel like to properly test this OEM modified knuckle, I also need OEM modified in the back. And the only way to do that would be slightly shorter shocks. So pulling the shocks off of that, which are the production shocks that you guys all buy. It's the same length as that. So it's good to kind of have everything consistent. These are the version 2 OEM modified with slightly different ackerman location. So you can see where the tie rod pickup point is there. And we can go ahead and compare it to the tie rod pickup point here. You see that where this is slightly more that way than this one, right? This is more towards the outside. So the ackerman on this knuckle is more closely dialed to what I have like on the 35 millimeter double shear roll center knuckle. So that, I believe, is going to be more of an apples to apples comparison test. And we just wanted to make sure that it spits out the right ackerman number. So I actually just did the ackerman on this OEM knuckle, which is what I just used in testing. And you can see here, like, I had to grind this down for the bump stops with this new upper control arm, where these knuckles have this already machined into it. So a little bit better. Also, it's a little bit stronger here because it has less material machined away, just because we're heading in a direction that requires less of that. So going to do that, get the car on the ground, get the ride height dialed back in because I haven't really formally dialed in the ride height since testing, and then wait for some knuckles and get the demo car out and get this aligned. So pretty exciting because we're also going to be going testing this Sunday for just up at Thunder Hill. So that's another test day, which is the more the merrier. So get the car dialed in, get the trailers loaded, and get out there. But for right now, I'm gonna put these knuckles on the car and get some ride height dialed in. Okay, the right front done. Let's do the left front. Bro, you gotta stop asking me stupid ass questions in the middle of me doing a video. God damn it.
Oh shit, I'm recording.
God. Fucking ask me about coilover prices and shit. Get to work! Oh yeah, and if you hit it nice and square, you don't mess that up. Always seize it up. Seize that up too. Push that one up. Sick.